Hi there. In this video, we will cover Change Customer and Vehicle on Job Only. The Change Customer and Vehicle on Job Only feature in TechMan allows you to amend the customer or vehicle assigned to a job without cancelling or restarting the booking, ensuring changes can be made while keeping the existing job record intact. First, let's open up this vehicle here we have on the dashboard. In this example, the customer booked a service against their BMW. However, they wish to bring in their Mercedes instead for a service. On the left-hand side of the job details page, we can use the Change Vehicle on Job Only button to update the job to the correct vehicle. Simply type in the other vehicle registration and hit search. The system will then load up the new vehicle details for you to confirm before going ahead with the vehicle change. Once you press continue, the page will refresh with the new vehicle details. We can also change the driver or customer on this job. For example, this customer wants his partner to take over the job as they will be bringing the vehicle in and paying for the service. To do so, scroll down to the Customer Notification Preferences section. And underneath this, just press Change Driver on Job Only to bring up the Search Customer pop-up. Here, let's search for the other customer by typing in their name. We will then get a few options where the customer search has picked up the name. Now press Select on the right-hand side to choose the new customer or driver. Make sure to then press Save Job at the bottom of the screen to update the job with the latest details. And there we have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to use this easy method to change the vehicle or customer on a job. If you found this helpful, do check out our other videos for more useful tips. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.